In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide someone with Google Calendar, specifically focusing on how to share your calendar seamlessly with others. Let's dive right in and get started on this useful journey. First up, open your browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. You can simply enter Google Calendar in your search engine and follow the link to calendar.google.com. Once it loads, you'll see your calendar for today, Monday, October 20th, 2025. This is your main view, where you'll be able to see your day, week, or month, depending on the setting you have chosen. Once you're in your calendar, look for the specific calendar you want to share on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, find the name of your calendar and click on it to highlight it. Highlighting it ensures that we make changes specifically to this calendar and not others you might have. With your calendar highlighted, we next need to open the settings specific to this calendar. Directly next to the calendar's name, you'll see a gear icon representing settings. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Sharing. This is where we find the options to control privacy, permissions, and of course, sharing features. Next, scroll down the menu until you find a section labeled Share with Specific People. Clicking this expands the options available to you for sharing. This is crucial as it enables you to choose exactly who has access to your calendar. Now, let's actually add people to your shared calendar. Click on the option Add People and Groups. You'll see a box where you can enter email addresses of the people you want to share your calendar with. Be sure to double-check the email addresses to ensure they are correct, as this is how they will receive the sharing invitation. After adding the desired contacts, you'll notice a section that says Permissions. Here, you can decide the level of access you'd like to grant. Options can range from only being able to see if you are free or busy, to full access with the ability to make changes. Choose the option that suits your needs, keeping in mind who the recipients are and how much control you'd be comfortable with them having. Now, once everything looks good, you'll want to finalize your sharing settings. Simply click on the Send button. This action sends an email invitation to the individuals you added, inviting them to view or manage your calendar according to the permissions you specified. Once you've sent the invitations, it's always a good idea to review your settings to ensure everything is just right. Return to the settings page and do a quick recheck. This way, you can be sure your calendar is shared how you intended. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your Google Calendar, making collaboration and coordination with your contacts easier than ever before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips.